Do it again. I might be tired now.
One more.
We're trying.
Come on, Mikey. Walk. For me.
He's tired. His legs are getting tired.
He was halfway. Try it again.
Up. Up.
He keeps looking at me, so I'm hiding behind that.
Banana. Banana. No, he's done. Yeah, he's done.
Walk to mommy.
He's done.
Mikey.
It's called a wrist splinter.
Come here, Mikey.
That's looking like this.
Ah!
Mom.
Not by his arms.
Mikey.
Come on. Come on.
He's done.
I want him to walk this way. I want to see if he'll walk to me.
Nope.
Nope. No, turn Rex. Turn around.
Ow!
Go that way.
Come here.
Okay. There.
Yay!
Time to walk again.
Yay!
Come here.
Yay, Michael! Say, I know you guys are saying yay for something, but
Come here.
I'm doing.
Come here. Come here. Mommy wasn't there to catch you, huh?
Hey.
Here. Get Nana.
His legs are getting tired out.
Get Nana. Okay, let go. Let go. Let go. Oh, Neo. Move.
Turn.
Stand up.
Hey, let's see if we can walk from you.